Are you worried about what tomorrow will bring? Remember this. Lamentations chapter 3, verses 22 to 25. Through the Lord's mercies we are not consumed, because his compassions fail not. They are new every morning. Great is your faithfulness. The Lord is my portion, says my soul. Therefore, I hope in him. The Lord is good to those who wait for him, to the soul who seeks him. Whatever you are facing today, his mercies are new this morning. Keep hoping in him.